Hello guys, welcome back to my weekly crypto analytics channel. My name is Arash and I provide here on-chain economics and technical analysis every week. So if you guys are interested in these kind of videos, please subscribe the channel and make sure you share the channel with your friends to be informed of everything. Thank you so much. So welcome back guys, and I would like to say we're gonna start with the economics data because this is the first week actually we had economics data, US economics data, because this is the first week after shutdown. That's why, so we had no access to the data. Let's check for the next week, the week ahead, Tuesday. So I just put on high impact. We're gonna check out the most important things, not the normal things. So the major ones. On a Tuesday, we got PPI, personal producer inflation monthly, and then we got retail sales. Well, obviously, retail sales, it doesn't have any heavy impact on a crypto market by itself, so we are not gonna have any discuss about it. And durable goods, this one either, so I don't care really. And Sunday we got China NBC manufacturing PMI on a crypto, and those are for the next week, the week after actually. And we got very important things the week after. We have to pay attention about it. Anyway, we're gonna have a discuss about this week. So the only thing for this week we're gonna discuss about it, which is very important to understand, is the PPI, producer price inflation. The last time it was negative 1 or 0.1%. So let's check out here when is the next release. The next release is 25th of November 2025, about 3 days later on, Tuesday I think. It's gonna be Tuesday in the week ahead. So the last time it was negative, and the PPI when it's negative, obviously it is very good for the crypto market, because whenever the PPI comes negative, it means it forced the FOMC, actually it forced the FOMC to make the interest rate cut happen, because it shows the inflation at the production level, you know. Yeah, so whenever it's negative it is good for the market, and whenever it's positive it's bad kind of for the crypto market. So we want it to be negative. And let's see what's gonna happen for, so at 25 of November. And here we got something else, FOMC interest rate cut. Last week we had seen this was 60% possibility that the FOMC gonna keep interest rate at level 375 to 400, but now fortunately we got 71% chance that the Federal Reserve for the next 17 days I think, they're going to have some interest rate cut. And if this happened for the past 3 months almost, if I'm not wrong, we had 2 or 3 interest rate cut, and this is the third or the fourth times we are seeing the interest rate cut. This is very good for the market, because guys you should understand this. So guys, you should understand this. When we are having a several interest rate cut, it's not going just to happen straight ahead. It's going to take a time. Whenever you see, so we were in a quantitative tightening, and then we enter quantitative easing, it shows us, it indicates us. So for example, the first 3 months or 6 months of the year we were struggling with the quantitative tightening, then we enter quantitative easing in the past quantitative tightening. So the interest rate had a start to having a interest rate cut, the FOMC, Federal Reserve, and I don't know, the inflation was very high and those kind of things. Then the Federal Reserve start having interest rate cut, the inflations are become low, and GDP goes high. So in that case, uh, after few months, we will see the effects of those quantitative easing into the market. Why? Because when the quantitative tightening we are beside in, so people obviously don't have money, they cannot invest, they cannot buy anything. they will they will be waiting for the quantitative easing will started. Then the central bank of America will make the solutions easier for the people to get money from the banks and repay them very cheaper in that case. So people has got money, and the money will be invested, a percent of the money will be invested in the crypto market or stock market. So any of those crypto market or stock markets will start having a bull run. Then the crypto market will follow the stock market, the I don't know, the exchange inflows, those kind of things. So we are very happy in December, the next week, next month. So we will have seen the interest rate cut. Fortunately, it's gonna happen. I'm very glad about this one. And otherwise, guys, I want you guys to understand this and pay attention about it. Is this one? One of the important thing, because the crypto market is one of the most risky market in the world, and anything will happen negative in the world, the first thing will have a reaction into those is the crypto market. And that's why if there's some war, if there is some argue, if there's anything, we will see the negative impact on a crypto market, and everything will become a red. And what is this? This is I think this news is from last week, last month, last sorry, from last night. Uh, the Trump has made a deal for the Russia and Ukraine to get a peace, to make the peace come true again. So if hopefully the Zelensky will accept the deal with the Russia and with the Trump, there is another peace thing will happen. And once they will start having an agreement, then hopefully we will see a positive action in the crypto market. This is one of the things. And another thing I want you guys to understand, I just brought this picture as an example, but there is many of entities, companies, and many of wallets. They are since past 3 weeks or past 2 weeks, they are start buying, they are start accumulating BTC, Ethereum, or whatever. So uh, here we see Ark Invest bought about $39 million worth of BTC just today. What date is today? Today is 22nd of November 2025, and this is one of the entities has bought $39 million assets BTC. And then amazed that, so during a day, how many of those vaults, those entities, companies, they are investing and accumulating more and more and more BTC and Ethereum. So I'm just telling you guys, if they don't know anything and just vesting their money, absolutely we should be sure we have nothing to understand. We got nothing to know. I mean, I'm definitely sure those people are one step ahead, for sure, because they know the peace will come back, the quantity will started at the 1st of December, and they will have a peaceful year in 2026, and the crypto market will be explode. I'm not telling you this, the indicator shows that, the news shows that, the quantitative easing, the Federal Reserve of America shows that. So we need to consider that why they are buying and the retail investors are selling. This is stupid if we think we are smarter than them. And let's go for the technical analysis for the BTC, then we will go on chain. And also, guys, I would like to tell you about the BTC dominance either. Where is it? Here. I mean, if the BTC price is dropping and this drop is normal and it is not the policy of exchanges, the big exchanges like Binance, OKX, Coinbase, those kind of things. So can you tell me why the BTC dominance is dropping either? I mean, let's have an easy check. At this time, when the BTC was hitting 76k at 8th of April 2025, the BTC dominance, where was it, do we think? 8th of April. Yes, guys. So, here we go. 8th of April. Okay. The BTC dominance had a rally up to this peak, 65%, right? And during this BTC dominance was rally up, we had seen the BTC price was keep dropping at 8th of April, right? And this is the neutral of BTC dominance. I mean, when the BTC dominance is rallying up, the BTC price will drop down. And since BTC dominance will start having a downward, a dropping, then the BTC price should have rally up, not the dropping, not the declining. I mean, there is no reason if the BTC dominance is dropping, the BTC price will drop again. That doesn't make sense. So in this case, I'm just telling you guys, this is not normal at all. I am sure this is a game of big exchanges and they just want to liquidate the people, grab the money from bottom, from the correction of market, then rally up. And in this condition, retail investors will sell their assets and the walls will buy and entities will buy, and when the market explodes they will say, what happened? So for sure, what happened? You just sold your assets in discount zone, bro. People will start buying in discount zone, and then retail investors, 85% of them, they will start selling. So that is not a nice thing.